to Plan and Practice Hindi channel. Today we will see Class 1 Hindi Lesson 5. मिठाई. मिठाई means sweet. एक दिन गधे का मन मिठाई खाने का हुआ. So gada means donkey. So there was one donkey. It felt I should have some sweet. एक दिन गधे का मन मिठाई खाने का हुआ. There was a donkey and it wanted to have some sweet. गधे ने अपने मित्रों से कुछ मीठा खाने को मांगा. The donkey asked its friends, bear, elephant, cat, rabbit, squirrel, that give me some sweet. गधी ने अपने मित्रों से कुछ मीठा खाने को मांगा. भालू ने कहा शहद खा लो. गधे ने मना कर दिया. भालू मीन्स teddy bear, bear. It is a bear. Balu we say in Hindi. It gave some honey. Shahad means honey to the donkey. Please have this honey. But the donkey said, no, I don't want honey. Want to have sweet, but I don't want honey. खरगोश ने कहा गाजर खा लो. गाजर खा लो. गाजर खा लो. खरगोश ने कहा गाजर खा लो. खरगोश means rabbit. Rabbit usually has carrot as its food. So it gave carrot to the donkey. See, carrot is very sweet. You have this carrot. गधे ने मना कर दिया. The donkey said, no, I don't want to have carrot. Though it is sweet, I want to have sweet, but I don't want carrot. चींटे ने कहा गुड़ खा लो. गधे ने मना कर दिया. चींटे means ants. Ants gave some jaggery to donkey. See, it is sweet. You wanted to have sweet. You take our jaggery piece that we have got with us. But the donkey said, no, I don't want to have jaggery. I want to have sweet, but I don't want to have jaggery. So चींटे ने कहा गुड़ खा लो. गधे ने मना कर दिया. मना कर दिया में it said no to the ant. The donkey said no to the ant. हाथी ने कहा गन्ना खा लो. गधे ने मना कर दिया. हाथी means elephant. Ganna means sugar cane. So the elephant gave sugar cane to donkey. See donkey, you wanted to have sweet, you have this sugar cane. I will give you. But the donkey said no to the elephant. It said I wanted to have sweet, but I don't want sugar cane. गिलहरी ने कहा आम खा लो. गधे ने मना कर दिया. The squirrel gave mango to donkey. Have this mango, like that. Squirrel said to donkey, but donkey said no, I don't want mango. It said, the donkey said no to squirrel. It said, I want to have sweet, but I don't want to have mango. Billy boli. Cat said, हलवाई की दुकान पर चलो. Come to sweet shop. Sweet confectionery or sweet shop. Halwai means halwa. To have halwa, you come to sweet shop. Like that, cat said to donkey. गधे को यह बात पसंद आ गई. The donkey said, I am interested in this. I like the way you said, and I wanted to come to the sweet shop. So the donkey agreed to go with cat. बिल्ली बोली हलवाई की दुकान पर चलो. गधे को यह बात पसंद आ गई. So the donkey liked the way the cat said it liked this deal to go to sweet shop. So the donkey said yes to the cat to go to sweet shop. तब सब साथ साथ मिठाई खाने के लिए चल पड़े. So all the friends together went to the sweet shop to have the sweet. तब तब means then. सब all साथ साथ together मिठाई खाने के लिए to eat the sweet चल पड़े. They started to go to sweet shop. So all the friends along with the donkey, bear, squirrel, ant, rabbit, cat, and all of the friends of donkey together went to sweet shop to have the sweet. So this is the lesson. Hope you all understood. Thank you for watching. To see Hindi lessons class 1 CBSE NCERT, you can go through my YouTube playlist. Thank you. Happy learning. Thank you.